Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you use OpenAI or LaTeX Editor. So this video might be interesting for you because of OpenAI introducing new application. You can call new application. That application name is a Prism. Similar kind of same OpenAI. You can replace the OpenAI and add in your day-to-day dissertation, blog writing, research article. So this platform might be interesting for you. How to use, what is new, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So look at this here, openai.com, the Prism, introducing Prism Accelerator Science Writing and Collaborative with AI. That one is really amazing as per my experience. I already added this link in video description. This is the one of the video they are introducing. What's the new, how to use. They are introducing all types of information here. Afterward, how you generate and how you add what you want exactly. It's really interesting. So first of all, this is my OpenAI text editor. I just simply download here my covering letter. So like zip, if you have previous latex or OpenAI data, so you should download like this. And this is the Prism. Afterward, prism.openai.com. I already added this link in video description. Just simply log in using your email address, and this is the project. As I download here one of the project coming from OpenAI. So simply here two option, import and export. So I just simply click here, import, and I download one covering letter. So I just simply importing my project here in Prism, and let's see the same. This is the OpenAI. If I open here covering letter, so the two structure, little bit graphical representation is quite impressive, OpenAI. And here is the ChatGPT prism.openai.com. so if like suppose for example, if I want to add here something like a table, so here as an OpenAI perspective you need to create a table and all, but you just simply go to the cursor here and here provide the instruction. I need a table 5 row and 5 columns, and if I just simply enter here, so thinking main.txt, I'm getting a content of file. Wait couple of seconds. So boom, here the table is automatically displaying. I just simply provide here the particular instruction, accordingly the data is automatically coming here. This is the beauty of prism.openai.com. You can upload, you can create your own content here in the latex format in this platform, and automatically your data is stored. And this platform here you can download the PDF as well like this after generating this one. That one is really impressive. Here the rename the file, download, here the share option. You can share your work as a multiple person, multiple research student, multiple professor, so everyone can work in your single research article, research project or dissertation. That one is very impressive as my previous experience. So if you use OpenAI and latex, so my recommendation, you should visit this platform and create your own account and upload your project related on latex related, and then edit, modify and enjoy this feature. So this is the simple review video of prism.openai.com. You can replace your OpenAI on latex and come to the OpenAI platform. If you have any question related on this platform, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.